In this video, I will be showing you how to enable dark mode in Google Maps. So let's get started. First thing, just come into the home interface, and to the rightmost top you will be having your profile icon. Click that, and here in profile, if you just scroll down, we will be having settings. Click it, and here in settings we are having theme, and it's going to be always in light mode. So click that and select always in dark theme and click on save, and that's it. And if you want to change specifically to navigation, you can click on navigation settings. Here also make changes according to your wish. So now if I go back, and as you can see, I have got the dark mode enabled. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.